In this video we will find the integration of this, correct, integration of Cotx into log sin x dx. Okay, so how we can do this question? We have to find the integration. Direct formula we don't know, correct? Direct formula you don't know. You can use u into v formula. One option is that you can take this as u and this as v. Okay, but in this video I will solve this using substitution method. That will be the easiest method. What I will do, this is Cotx, so whatever the complicated term is log of sin x, so I will take this as t or u, correct? I will take this as t, so I will take log of sin x as log of sin x as t. I will take this as t, correct? And then I will substitute this value as t. Then I have to replace this value also, dx value also. So how I will get the dx? I will get the dx after differentiating this function both sides. Okay, so differentiate both sides. Okay, when I will differentiate both sides means differentiation of left side. Okay, so differentiation of left side, differentiation of log of sin x. So I will use the chain rule I explained in the previous videos. Okay, so like this, log of, we know one formula, derivative of log x is nothing but 1 upon x. Okay, so this is not log x, this is log of sin x. So this sin x I will treat as x, then derivative will be 1 upon x. 1 upon x means 1 upon sin x, correct? So log x derivative will be 1 upon sin x. Log sin x derivative will be 1 upon sin x. Then derivative of sin x. And derivative of sin x, you know. What is the derivative of sin x? Derivative of sin x is nothing but cos x. Okay. So derivative of sin x is nothing but cos x. Okay. So I use the chain rule. Okay. Log, correct? Log derivative is 1 upon x. So instead of x it is sin x, so 1 upon sin x. Then derivative of sin x will be cos x, correct? And then this will be derivative of t, right side derivative of t with respect to x will be dt upon dx. Okay, and left side is cos upon sin. So cos upon sin is nothing but cot x, you know, correct? And then dt upon dx. Okay, so what I will do, cross multiplication. So I can say that cot x into dx is nothing but dt. Okay, cot x into dx is nothing but dt. Okay, so I will replace this value. This is nothing but log of sin x as t. So I will replace this log of sin x value as t, and then cot x, if you will see carefully, then this cot x into dx, cot x into dx, correct? This cot x into dx, cot x into dx will become dt, cot x into dx will become dt, and this log sin x will become t. So this will, can I write this as integration of t into dt, correct? So this will reduce to integration of t into dt. How t into dt? How t into dt? Because this log t is t, log sin x is t, and cot x into dx is nothing but dt. So cot x into dx I will replace with dt and log of sin x as t. So this reduced like this. Okay, and t into dt I will use this formula, x to the power n dx, correct? So x to the power n, so variable can be anything. Okay, so same formula, t to the power n plus 1. N plus 1 means 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus 1, correct? Integration formula of x to the power n, or you can say t to the power n dt. Variable can be anything. It will be t to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So this formula I used, n value is 1 here, correct? So this will be nothing but t to the power 2 upon 2 and t was our independent variable I2, correct? So at last I will replace this t value as log of sin x. So I will replace this t value as log of sin x. So log of sin x a square divided by 2. This will be our final answer, correct? This will be our final answer, correct? So at last I will replace this t value with log of sin x. So log of sin x a square divided by 2 is our final answer. I hope you understood.